Looking to finish the game off with the help of that man there who scored his 100th UEFA club competition goal in the first leg. He's had much more like an orthodox number 9 now.
Well, he's playing closer to the box, and I think obviously those long...
Lindsay, good evening, thank you. This place never fails. Every time it takes your breath away. Same might be said of him. Ronaldo's tie to this point. Glimpses of Madrid fallibility. Ronaldo, Isco.
A couple of years ago he went under the wall, Ronaldo, didn't he?
Ronaldo into the wall.
Yeah, right on Vidal.
Plenty of that Bayern team are in this Bayern team. Here's Ronaldo, face to face with Boateng. He doesn't have to hold him up temporarily. Ronaldo, Benzema.
Ronaldo goes up first, whether he gets in his way.
Carvajal. Ronaldo attacking it. Kroos has fed it for Benzema. Benzema stumbled through the centre circle and fed Ronaldo. And Ronaldo has seen Carvajal, and Carvajal's had a go! 3 against 3. Ronaldo teasing Lahm. To score 2 or more. Las Palmas on the 1st of March. 3-3 draw. That was again Gareth Bale was sent off in. Actually, the third Las Palmas goal that day was scored by Kevin Prince Boateng. Marcelo. Ronaldo. Hung up by Marcelo. Ronaldo was met wholeheartedly by Mats Hummels.
And here's Ronaldo hitting the brick wall. That is Mats Hummels.
And indeed from Modric, who's looked early for Ronaldo, and Bayern Munich are exposed here. Ronaldo fired it at Neuer and nearly got another crack at it, but Marcelo, Cristiano Ronaldo, it's still not happening. Ronaldo, he's gone over Xabi Alonso, he's got a free kick. An angle to be shooting, but if anyone can. Flicked it with finesse by Ronaldo. It was a neat variation.
Yeah, just didn't miss the first man, did it? I think it
just marginally in Real Madrid's favour. And Munich to his Bernabeu as was. Casemiro kept on going, fed it for Ronaldo! Of course! Of course! Cometh the hour! He's the man! Real Madrid found the way. The way again was Cristiano Ronaldo.
And you said it, Peter, come at the hour, come at the man. He's had a really quiet game by his standards.
His 100th Champions League appearance, memorable in a way he would not. 2.5, 3 melodramatic minutes. Ronaldo's on his way again. 3-3 on aggregate, and extra time follows. 3-3 on aggregate. Since then, Arturo Vidal has been harshly sent off. So we're all square, but... Ronaldo had a pop. Flying stop from Neuer.
So you sense you had one in the...
Did look weary from Boateng.
Yeah.
Played in here for Cristiano Ronaldo. Vasquez. Ronaldo lashed at it.
Yeah, wrong angle, wasn't it? I mean, it would have been some effort for Cristiano to get his foot wrapped in that and beat Neuer from there. The option was to leave it for Asensio behind him, but there's no chance with Ronaldo, is there?
In by Vasquez.
Offside.
By Boateng, yeah. Ronaldo.
Cristiano again offside. He's the only one in there, so it has to be him. Looks aghast. Yeah, he was offside, actually.
Ramos. Ronaldo! He's only gone and done it again. His stage, his goal, his 99th Champions League goal, and very possibly the one that carries Real Madrid into yet another semi-final at the expense of a crestfallen Ancelotti.
It had to be him, didn't it? Had to be Cristiano. 2 more tonight. And again, in splendid isolation in the centre of the box. Lovely ball by Sergio Ramos, and he's offside. Wow, that's all you need. A great touch and great finish.
But the big ones have gone against Bayern.
He was offside.
Oh dear.
Whether that run, I think it's by Dani Carvajal, takes Douglas Costa with him. But you see Alaba's up with his arm in the air.
So Bayern have to score now, only once. As we reach half-time in extra time. In the seconds prior to which Cristiano Ronaldo fizzed home left-footed and gave Real Madrid their advantage back. 2-2 on the night. And 4-3 now on aggregate in favour of Real Madrid. Let's have a look at this again.
Yeah, he's offside, Peter. He's way offside, actually. But that movement by Dani Carvajal and Douglas Costa, that's what's...
Oh, there's poor clearance. Casemiro onto it. Modric. Ronaldo. Vasquez. Picked off by Neuer. Close. Off goes Marcelo again. A tank that never empties. Marcelo all the way. That's terrific. That's Ronaldo. That's the tie. That's a perfect hat-trick and a perfect Bernabeu night.
I was just about to say Marcelo's been the star man for me, forgetting that Ronaldo's just scored the perfect hat-trick. 100th Champions League goal. What a way to do it. Header, left foot and right foot. But he put it on a play for Marcelo. Brilliant play. Incredibly positive. Received the ball. The first thing in his mind was to drive forwards. Love it. Look, he's driving at 5 Bayern shirts. Flick over. Is Ronaldo on side? We got there in the end for Real Madrid.
Relentless, smooth, eternally classy. Tonight just a little bit lucky. But Real Madrid roll on, the defending champions within an ace of yet another final into a 7th straight semi-final. That is a record. But the final score in this game doesn't come close to telling the whole story of this game. The story central to which again was Cristiano Ronaldo, who completed a perfect hat-trick, completed a Champions League century and allowed Asensio the chance to polish things off after Bayern had threatened. Lewandowski's penalty, the reignition of hope given them by the Ramos own goal, hope which was largely extinguished by the very harsh sending off of Arturo Vidal. Pick the bones out of that one. Real Madrid 4, Bayern Munich 2, Madrid 6-3.